Hi! If you want to use the expert advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI codebase, you can just click on the download link below.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses fractals to open and manage positions with trailing stops based on recent highs and lows. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor where we can create our new expert advisor file. We begin by including the trade class from the standard library. This provides us with simplified trading methods like PositionOpen and PositionModify. We create an instance of the CTrade object called Trade, which will handle all our trading operations. Next, we define our strategy configuration parameters. These are adjustable in the EA properties. We set LookbackBars to 50, which determines how many historical candles we use to find highs and lows. MinCandlesBack is set to 5, which specifies the minimum age for a valid high or low signal. TrailingOffset is 10.0 points, which acts as a safety margin for our trailing stop. We declare global variables and handles to store state between ticks. The fractals handle will hold our fractals indicator. We create arrays for upper fractals and lower fractals to store the fractal values. The price data array of type MQL rates will hold our OHLC price information. In the onInit function, which runs once when the EA starts, we create the fractals indicator handle using iFractals with the current symbol and hourly time frame. We configure our arrays as time series using ArraySet as series, so the most recent data is at index 0. This makes it easier to work with recent price data. We create two functions for opening positions. Open by position gets the current ask price using symbol info double. It then opens a buy position using trade. Position open with 0.10 lots, which equals 10 micro lots. The entry price is the current ask, and we disable both stop loss and take profit initially. The position comment is set to fractals position. Open sell position works similarly but gets the bid price instead. It opens a sell position with the same 0.10 lot size at the current bid price, also without initial stop loss or take profit. The onTick function runs on every price update. First, we copy historical price data using copy rates for the specified number of LookbackBars. We then load fractal values from the indicator buffers using copy buffer for both upper and lower fractals. We check position status by scanning through all open positions. We use a reverse loop for safe iteration. For each position, we get the ticket number and check if it belongs to our symbol. We track whether we have an open position and what type it is. For trend detection, we check if a new upper fractal has formed by verifying upper fractals at index 2 is not empty. If no position exists, we open a buy position. If we already have a buy position, we find the lowest low in the lookback period using iLowest. We check if this low is within our minimum candles back requirement and if the current close is above this low. If conditions are met, we calculate a new stop level by adding the trailing offset to the lowest low and call process trailing stop. For sell conditions, we check lower fractals at index 2. Similar logic applies, but in reverse. We find the highest high using iHighest and calculate the new stop level by subtracting the trailing offset from the highest high. Process trailing stop handles trailing stop management for both position types. It iterates through all positions in reverse order. For each position matching our type and symbol, it gets the current stop loss. For buy positions, it updates the stop if the new level is higher than current or if no stop exists. For sell positions, it updates if the new level is lower. It uses trade. PositionModify to apply the new stop loss level. After completing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast or you don't understand all the code, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch some basic videos first. We go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking the icon. In Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to open the strategy tester. We select our newly created expert advisor, enable visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor running on the chart. If you're already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we learned how to create an expert advisor that uses fractals to identify trading opportunities and implements trailing stops based on recent price extremes. You have now coded an expert advisor that opens positions on fractal breakouts and manages them with dynamic trailing stops using just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.